In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages in Ecwid, a comprehensive e-commerce platform that makes setting up your online store straightforward and efficient. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or looking to expand your existing site, knowing how to add pages is an essential skill. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Ecwid control panel. This is your starting point for managing everything about your online store. Think of it as your central hub where all the magic happens. If you're not familiar with how to get there, you'll typically access it by logging into your Ecwid account and selecting your store from the list of storefronts available. Once you're comfortably situated in the Ecwid control panel, the next step is to locate and click on the website settings. This part of the menu is crucial because it gives you access to the various elements that make up your online store's website. These elements are what you'll use to fine-tune your customers' browsing experience. By navigating to the website settings, you're opening the door to customizing your store to better fit your brand's personality and business goals. Now that you've entered the website settings area, direct your attention to the page homepage option. Clicking here will allow you to manage the current setup of your homepage, but that's not where we'll stop. We're looking to add more pages. So after you've clicked and explored the available sections within the homepage tab, you should see a button that says Add More Pages. This is where the magic happens. With one click, you open up a world of possibilities for expanding your website and presenting more information in a structured, user-friendly way. After you've clicked on Add More Pages, you'll be presented with various options. This step is about selecting which pages you want to add to your site. You might want to add a Contact Us page, an About Us section, or product-specific pages if you have a wide range of offerings. The available options may vary, so take a moment to consider what content would enhance your customer's experience. Remember, the goal is to provide your visitors with a seamless and informative browsing journey. Once selected, the pages will be integrated into your site, forming a cohesive navigation menu that is both organized and easy to use. Keep in mind that you can always go back and make adjustments as needed. You're in control of the layout and content, so don't hesitate to make changes that align with your evolving business needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added pages to your Ecwid store. Thanks for watching and happy selling!